I'm Linda Montgomery, Director of the RE/MAX Crossroads Office, Chairman of the Scholarship Committee, and the daughter of Helen Adams, for whom the Vocal Music Scholarship Program is named. I'm sitting at her piano right now. Our office established the scholarship program as a way to give back to the communities our real estate office serves and to recognize and celebrate excellence in vocal music. Since our real estate agents in the Crossroads office serve most of the Metroplex, we want graduating seniors from all high schools across the area to participate. As a musician and former middle school choir director myself, who was encouraged by my very talented mother, I know how important that support and encouragement can be. And a little extra money for college is always welcome. We also want to recognize the excellent choir directors and fine arts directors across our region who pour their dedication and guidance into these students' lives. They never get thanked enough. My own sons were the beneficiaries of outstanding choral programs, and I will always be grateful to their choir directors and voice teachers for their contributions. Students who qualify to submit an entry, their teachers or parents, should download the application forms and submit the audition video and forms to the location specified. All entries will be posted on the scholarship YouTube channel, Helen C. Adams Music Scholarship. Please invite your friends and neighbors to view your audition video in its entirety. Those students with the top number of views of their video will automatically become a finalist in the contest, along with those students chosen based on scholarship criteria alone. A personal note to students: if you qualify to submit an entry, you already deserve congratulations for your musical accomplishments and for acquiring life skills that will follow you into the future. Let's see if you can add one more honor by winning the Helen C. Adams Scholarship.